Lord, for all the opportunities and all the amazing brands that I get to work with. Here's a gratitude post to Klook, my very first brand na nag-open ng doors and nag-allow sa akin to be part of their program. I'm also grateful to all those people who are using my codes. Klook Louise, you can still use it and redeem it until Feb 2. Pwede nyo pa yung magamit ng 3 beses. But afterwards, no, you can only use it once na lang. You can also use my Agoda Hotel code, which is Agoda Louise. And for activities naman, Agoda Louise B. Sa Eralo, I have Louise 9212. When you subscribe using my code, you can get 35% off. So, it's Bookie Louise and then sa Bookaway, Louise 5. So, yung iba kong discount codes nasa bio ko and you can follow me in TikTok for the playlist sa Asia na itinerary and hotel reviews. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan. So, hope it helps. Have a safe trip!